And we're to the game. The forest. Already hypered. Don't crash. It just already doesn't collect it, but come on. I believe in you. Or do we just have to skip this? Hopefully not. No, it's working. Oh my god. Didn't expect that one to come in. But yeah. Creating game instance. Has this been updated? No, it doesn't answer, but it will. You can see it, but yeah, this forest game is an open world, so that's a plus. It's fucking creepy. That's another plus for you guys. Shit for me. And don't crash right now. Don't wanna do this again. I believe in you. The forest. Hopefully there's no slender guys, but I already know that because I've already played this game, so there's no slender guys. Hey guys, it works. Holy fucking shit. What has changed? I don't know. Be sure to tell me what's the show from that screen, because I fucking cannot see. And we have the kid. Holy fuck, we're crashing. Oh my god. Don't hurt me. Which is what am I? Am I a guy? Don't know. This game doesn't show my own personality. I think that's a good thing. But yeah. Come on. What's happened? I crashed. But still. Holy fucking shit. That hurt us. Oh my god. This actually works. Hey, where are you taking my kid? Bring it back, it's mine. Oh, don't know. Don't know. What do we have here? Black screen. Awesome. What the fucking happened to my hands? Who the fuck is that? And why he's killed? Eat. I'm hungry right now. Take everything. I want the phone, which is useless. It's the thing that I need. Thank you. Bye bye, phony. Not gonna need you right now. Or ever. And where are you taking this super knife? Hopefully we can find everything cool. Open back. I'm trusting you right now. Give me something good. Maybe a tennis ball. Why the fuck this game does have tennis balls? I have no fucking idea. They don't even hurt those aliens. So they doesn't make any sense. Hopefully I know that it's not getting any better my computer, but this is still the highest graphics that can be on my computer. And it almost still crashes. And now happened something weird as shit. Don't know what. But let's keep on going. Desert, die. Why can't I hit you? Come here, come back here. Oh my god. This is already too much on my computer. It can't handle it. I have to restart at some time, but it would be plus if we could save this game and end it there, but we're just starting. So my series will be 1 episode per day, so, and I'm not going to upgrade it like Super Stormtrooper style. Oh fuck, the berries, don't kill me. Okay, I fucking don't trust the berries right now. Are these new trees? Hopefully I can chop them up. Chop. Hey, I can hit them. It fucking doesn't do anything. What the fuck is happening? Okay, we're trying to find some sticks some rocks, hopefully, and we'll see what other we need. Shelters. That would be a cool. Okay, hunting shelter is today's. We're trying to find a good location for our base, which we just found. There's water. That's a plus. If the alien guys who have their own tribe attack me, I can go to the water and they can do shit. Or probably can shit, but whatever. Starfishes everywhere. Oh my god. And here we start our hunting shelter place. And seagulls, fucking seagulls. What the fuck is it? Nope. Okay, let's place it there. No. Click to place. Why won't you place? Yeah, that's right. I wanted you there. I didn't even see that. So, okay, I need 6 more sticks, which I can get pretty easily, and 6 logs, or was it 4? 8. I fucking can't count. Hopefully we can do this pretty fast. Don't want the night to come up. It's fucking creepy then. Don't expect me to do not anything at night, because the aliens are on their crazy side, then they fucking kill me. I was thinking this could be like one death and it's over stuff, so this won't be long unless I'll be fucking OP and survive every fucking shit I'll get against me. And there's pretty much shit, so I'll be screwed pretty fast, I think. But I guess we can fly. And what the fuck did a seagull did? It did try to flew through that tree. Oh my god. Didn't expect that to happen. Yet. It's my thing. It's the thing that I do. Okay, now 8 logs. Well, luckily we have these trees nearby, so we won't have to travel like 10 miles. Yeah. I think it has been getting a little slower since the last update, but we're going with the things we can, and this is all we can right now, guys. Hopefully this won't take as long. Oh my god, what side? Hey, don't crash on me. And here we go. Logs. 4 great logs. Insert. Nice. We're doing this, guys. We're actually doing this. Didn't expect that to happen. And I have many friends also. Seagulls. Hopefully they don't shit on me. Normally they do. But yeah. Where are you going, log? You're mine. Fucking logs. Trying to prevent me from grabbing them. If you don't be scared if you don't understand what I'm saying, because I'm not even sure what I'm saying, so hopefully my English is getting better from this, or hopefully not worse. That would be OP. Come on, after you. I am probably can't sleep. What side are you falling? Okay, he's not falling here, so that's good. Let's just grab those. Oh, fucking shit! Don't come us. Don't come to me. Don't come to me. This is my territory. Fucking creepy as shit. Come on. I don't want to fight you. You're so OP. Oh my god, they're coming here. Don't come. I haven't done anything to you yet. And I won't. I'll promise you that. Come on. Fucking finish. I really don't want to fight them. They're not nice. Don't come. I'm begging. I'm not going to do anything to you, so yeah, just leave. They were so afraid of me. They couldn't handle my powers. My motherfucking powers. What the fuck? I have... Okay. Don't know what to say, but still. Oh my god. This is so slow. Oh my god. I have to rest. What the fuck am I chopping that? Okay, we can try to do a barricade. It's some other time. Die. Fucking die. I wish I had died. No, not really. I'm in candy luck. I can't eat candy right now. Candy luck. That's not the right word. But yeah, I think we're going to finish this. This looks pretty awesome. Oh my god, we have our fucking shutter, which is flying, I think. Yep. Don't care. Got some visitors. And yeah, I think we're just about to try to sleep, or hey, I'm going to do the last thing, basic fire, and I don't want to get burned while I'm asleep, so do I have enough leaves? I fucking have. Oh my god. Hey, I can grab these right now. Oh my god, starfish. Can I eat them? No. It tricked me. It tricked me. Can I kill the seagulls? I need some food. I can. Can I cook them? I cannot grab them. What the fuck? Oh my god. I can chop them. But I fucking cannot eat them. What is this logic? Oh my god. Are they poisonous? Poisonous seagulls. That would be new. Yeah, I think if we're not getting any energy from those, I think we're going to save. Hopefully the game doesn't crash pretty badly. And yeah, Z to sleep. Like ZZZ. But yeah, hopefully this will save right now. You're cold and wet. Hard to cry. Oh my god. Is that the save? Hopefully it is, but I'm going to end it right here. Hopefully you enjoyed. Be sure to check out the first part 2 episode, which will be downloaded just today or the day after today. Today is today, so oh fuck. But yeah, you saw nothing. Bye.